Please mute. Good morning. This is Shaheen signing to the max session. Let's have today's six table. Yes, in the last session we have done five table. Now today we are going to have six. Let's do it. Six table. Yes. What is special in the six table, you know? Yes. In this we are going to
Ma'am,
recall.
echo is there.
Yes, child. Roshni, please mute.
Echo is coming.
Yes, if you mute na, it won't come. Okay. If anyone is unmuting, then the voice will be echoing. Okay, ma? So everyone will mute means it won't come. Okay. Thank you, child. Please mute. Gija ma'am. Gija ma'am.
Ma'am, it's visible and audible. Ma'am. Please continue.
Audible. It's echoing nothing. Okay,
No,
fine.
no,
Thank
no,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Let's continue. So today we are going to have six table. Okay. In this, we are going to recall three table also. Let's do it. Okay. Here you can see the boxes. Yes. So here the boxes are there. Three box, three rows and three columns. After drawing this, you are going to write the numbers. Already we have done the three table. So same way you are going to write from bottom to top. So down you have to write 1, then middle row 2, then 3 up. Same way you are going to continue 4, 5 and 6. Then 7, 8 and 9. And the last number 0 you write it
நீ
here.
கேட்டாலும் கேட்கலன்னா எனக்கு தெரியாது, நீ போ, எனக்கு கிளாஸ் இருக்கு.
Okay, ma'am. Please mute, ma'am. Yeah. Yes. Madhavan, please stop sharing. Now, let's do it. So after writing this number, you have to, yes, now after writing, you have to write the numbers. Yes, in the first row, you are going to write 0, 0, 0. And in the second one, 1, 1. In the third row, you are going to write 2, 2 and 2. And is the 0. So with 0, you are going to increase the number. That means 3. Oh, we got the 3 table again. Yes. Yes, you can see the 3 table. Yes, let's recall one time 3 table. Yes, all of you mute yourself and repeat with me 3 table one more time. 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6. 3 3 is 9. 3 4 is 12. 3 5 is 15. 3 6 is 18. After that, 3 7 is 21. 3 8 is 24. 3 9 is 27. 3 10 is 30. Now this box is completed. So like this. So we have done the 3 table also. Yes. Now come to the point. Now again, we have to just draw the table, and same way you are going to draw the table one more, the same 3 rows and 3 columns, and the same numbers, same way you are going to write. That means from bottom to the top. First 1, then in the middle row 2, then 3, then 4, 5 and 6. Then same way 7, 8, 9 and the 0 should be
Ma'am,
in
echo
one
is there.
line. Loshni, please mute Kana. Yes, and please mute your camera also, ma. It's unmuted. Please off, ma. Then it will be clear for you. Okay? Yes, thank you, Loshni. Now, after this, after writing the numbers, we are going to yes. Now, already you know the 3 table, the number we have written. So in the first row, 0, 0, and 0. In the second row, 1, 1, 1. And third row, 2, 2, 2. And the number left 0 will be have 3. Now, continuation of 3, 3, 3, and 3. Then next row, 4, 4, and 4. Then 5, 5, and 5. And the last number will be the 6. That becomes 60. Now, let's find the table now. How we will do? Let's do it. Let's see. We are going to make a diamond shape. You know how to make diamond? Like this. Okay? Yes. After that, the diamond touching the numbers, circle it. 1 second. Yes. This one is touching diamond. This 12 is touching the diamond. Then 18 is touching the diamond. And 24 is touching the diamond. Okay. So same way, we are going to draw diamond here also. Let's draw diamond like this. Clear? Yes. Got it? So after that, the numbers touching the diamond is 36 circle, 42 circle, 48 circle, then circle the 54. And this is also you have to circle 60 here and please circle here 30. Okay, this too. Now comes the 6 table. Have you found the 6 table? Let's do it. 1 second. Let's find the 6 table. Yes, the circle numbers will become the 6 table. Now do it. Now let's do it. 6 1 is 6. 6 2 is 12. 6 3 is 18. 6 4 is 24. And 6 5 is 30. Yeah, up to 5 table here comes. Now let's do the second box for the coming tables. Let's do it. 1 second. I will remove these numbers. Yes, now it is identified. Let's do it. So, 6 6 is 36. 6 7 is 42. 6 8 is 48. 6 9 is 54. And the last one, 6 10 is 60. Yes. Wow. You can learn the 3 table and the 6 table. Yes. With this, I will show you one more clipping and you have to repeat with me. Yes, children. Let's read 6 table one more time. Let's do it. It's very interesting and very easy. Yes. So let's do it. 6 table. 6 1 is 6. 6 2 is 12. 6 3 is 18. Sorry. 6 3 is 18. 6 3 is 18. 6 4 is 24. And 6 5 is 30. Now, come to the box. Next box. 6 6 is 36. 6 7 is 42. 6 8 is 54. 6 8 is 48. And 6 9 is 54. And 6 10 is 60. Here comes our 6 table. Let's do one more time. 6 1 is 6. 6 2 is 12. 6 3 is 18. 6 4 is 24. 6 5 is 30. Now, next. Now do this row. 6 6 is 36. 6 7 is 42. And 6 8 is 48. 6 9 is 54. And 6 10 is 60. Yes. Now you can learn the 6 table. very easily. Yes, children. Okay. Practice the sixth table. Now, now we will start our session with the topic. Yes, we are going to continue our lesson number 3, subtraction. Okay? Yes. Today we are going to do subtraction of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Let's do it. Yes, today's our topic is 3-digit numbers subtracting. Okay, let's do now. Yes, here is a drawing. Here is the numbers, 3-digit numbers. So the first number is 594 and you have to subtract 342 and you can see the boxes. Yes, here is 100. Now here comes tens and here comes ones. Let's draw it. Yes, now. So 594. That means 5 is in 100 place. Once again, 5 is in 100 place. Yes, 5 is in 100 place. Then 9. Now please stop annotation. My picture will go. Then 9. One second. Yes. Yes, children. Now, let's do it. The first number is 594 and the next number is 342. Let's do it 100, ones and tens place. So 100, this is 100, tens and this is ones. So how you will write the number? Let's write the number 5, then 9, then here 4 is in ones place. Then write down the next. So count the numbers. Let's count the numbers. Yes. How many? 4. So you can see in the box 1, 2, 3 and 4 numbers are there. Yes, 4 dots are there. Now in tens place, you can see, yes, in tens place, you can see the 9 lines. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 lines are there, isn't it? That means the boxes of tens. This symbolizes tens. Tens. Okay? So this is tens. Tens box. Now, here you can see the box of hundreds. So 100 box, 100 numbers will be there. So this is 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. 500 boxes are there. Okay. Now let's do it. Now see the second number, small number. Subtraction means you have to minus the bigger number from the smaller number. Okay. So smaller number we have to take off. Let's do it. So 3. Yes. Remove the small 342. Yes. I will write the number here. It got missed. Yeah. Now we are going to take away the number. Yes. Now do it. Take away 4 minus 2. 2 you have to take. Smaller number you have to take away. So 1, 2 have taken away. So how much left? 2 is left. So 4 minus 2, 2. Now the same way do for tens. 9 numbers are there. 9 tens are there. You have to remove 4. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 is left. So that means 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Now see this drawing. 5 minus 3. Let's do it. Cut the numbers. 1, 2, 3 numbers cut. So how many left? Yes, do it. So we are having 1 and 2. 2 boxes left. So write down the answer. 2. So our answer is 252. Yes, we got the answer. So that means 594 minus 342 is equal to 252. Okay, one more time I will show you so that you will get a clear picture. Yes, you are going to cut like this and 525. So this is the picture formation. You can draw small boxes and you can cut and you can do the sums. Okay, for practicing. Yes, children. Now over to Rubni ma'am. She is going to explain you classwork and workbook. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, children, we are going to look 3-digit subtraction without regrouping. Yes. Is it visible? Lesson 3, subtraction. And you are going to put today's date. And what's today's day? What day it is? Tuesday. Okay. Then subtraction without regrouping. Now, I like to ask you, please mute yourself. We will give the chance to ask your questions. So please mute yourself till that. Okay? Yes. See. In addition, we used to say that no, what is the first number and the second number is addend. Yes. What we are going to do that is addends, and what we are getting the answer is sum. Here also there was a name for the subtraction numbers. Ma'am, somebody change.
Dhanvant, Ashwardhan, please don't touch the screen. Ma'am, yes, continue.
Children,
Please
kindly
mute.
yourself.
Roshni,
If you keep on disturb the class, you will only miss. All others class will go forward.
Ma'am, excuse me. Loshini, once again, if you open the video, I will put it in the lobby.
Yes. Please don't disturb the class, dears. Okay? Yes. See, there was two number, no? What we are, the bigger number. The bigger number is minuvant. Repeat after me, minuvant. Minuvant is the bigger number from which we are taking away or subtracting. Okay? The bigger number is minuvant. M-I-N-U-E-N-T. These are the terms. You please learn it. I'm not telling you to memorize it. Okay? Like, no need to memorize it. You please learn the terms alone. Minuvant. Minuvant is the bigger number from which we are going to subtract. Okay? Yes. Then what we are subtracting? What is that number? What is its name, ma'am? You might have. That is called as subtrahend. S-U-B-T-R-A-H-E-and-D. Subtrahend. Subtrahend. Okay? Minuend, subtrahend. The number what we are having the bigger number, no, from which where we are subtracting, that is minuend. The number what we are subtracting from the minuend is subtrahend. Then what we are getting the answer, what is that, ma'am? That is difference. What is called as difference? What is called as difference? Apologies, my handwriting, since it is the screen, I couldn't write neatly. You have to write neatly, okay? Difference. Then what is the sign of the subtraction is? Minus. What is the sign of the subtraction is? Minus. You no need to write. You please listen. I'm going to send all those things in to your class groups. To your class groups, I will send all the notes. So please listen. Okay. So first, what we are going to subtract, that is minuend. What we are subtracting, that is subtrahend. What we are getting the answer is difference. What the sign for the subtraction is? Minus. These are the terms you should learn. Okay. Now. Okay. Ma'am, I know all the terms, ma'am. Now how to write? Yes. You have to write your class notes. How to write? Neat and legible. Then only you can use to learn again. Yes. At your assessment time, you can use your classworks only to refer the notes, right? Yes. You have to write very neatly. And you have to use only the pencil and write neatly. Okay? Yes. You have to leave one line after HTO. Always you remember, here we have not done. You people leave one line for after the place values. Always you have to write the first place values. What are the place values here written? HTO. Hundreds, tens, ones. Then you have to write the numbers. What are the numbers? Here, what are the numbers in the question? 55 minus 31. Minuend, subtrahend. This is minuend. 55 is the minuend. This is 31 is the subtrahend. Next step, what you will do? What is the next step you will do? Minus. And here they have write straightly to the sum. You will get the sum like 55 minus 31. 55 minus 31. Likewise only you will get in the question. So, right. Mute kind yourself, parents. I request everyone to mute yourself. If keep on getting disturbance, then the class flow will not be good. Thank you. Okay. First, you have to write the place values, and then from number is given, then you have to write the from number first. Okay. Otherwise, you have to write, check what is the bigger number and write it first. Here the bigger number is 55, 5 tens and 5 ones. So you have to write in the appropriate room. Girija ma'am. Girija ma'am.
Mute.
Ah,
Someone
yes,
has
ma'am. Lakshmanan, ma'am. I can't able to mute, ma'am. Now it's okay.
Mute. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, so 55. And then next number, the subtrahend. What is the number subtrahend? Sorry, I gave the approve for somebody. Children, please don't touch the screen, my dears. Don't touch the screen. Okay, so subtrahend is 31, 3 tens and 1 1. So you have to write appropriate rooms while you are writing the numbers. Appropriate rooms. Ma'am,
Mute,
please
ma'am.
keep on. I'm getting disturbance from somebody. It's not good in the classroom. I'm having my headset. If you make noise means I couldn't talk properly. I request all the parents to
Lakshmanan,
just
please
understand
mute.
our situation. Lakshmanan, ma'am, if they are not keep on, see Vishnu Priya, you are requesting, you are touching the screen. Don't touch the screen. Next time, if you disturb again Lakshmanan, I will tell the ma'am to keep you in the lobby. You want to attend the class means please you mute yourself. Ma'am, please ma'am, 5 minutes lobby la podunga. Put him into the lobby. If he is not attending the class, let others attend the class.
Okay, ma'am.
I request all the parents teach the children, if not possible to sit along with your children, to please teach the children to mute themselves and make sure if any queries, then only they have to unmute and talk. Because we are giving the chance everyone to ask the questions, and we have the limitations, we have time allotments to finish the chapter. If the time extends, we couldn't get the excuse from our higher officials. So I request everybody to stick into the online class agreements. Yes, thank you. So we have to subtract minuend from minuend to the subtrahend. Next, we are going to do now subtraction. Yes. So 55, 5 ones. What you are going to do? 5 ones. 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, 5 tens. 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5 tens and 5 ones. Okay. Now we are going to do the subtraction. Subtraction means remove, take away. Okay. Now we are going to do the subtraction. So what number we are going to subtract? Subtrahend number. What is that? 31. 30, 3, 10 and 1, 1. So in one's room, what is the number? 1. So 1 we are going to remove. Remove it. Remove it. Now how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ones? 4 ones. You will write 4 ones. Okay. Next, tens room. Tens room, how many tens are there? Minuan, 5 ones are, 5 tens are there. So we written 5 tens. Now we are going to subtract 3 tens. How many tens? 3 tens we are going to subtract. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. We subtracted. We removed 3 tens. Okay. Now how many more? How many left in the tens room? 2. 2. Yes. Likewise you have to do 2 tens and 4 ones. So finally you have to write the answer, the special credit you will get. Always, whatever the sum is, you have to write the answer. Special step. Always remember that special step. Answer is equal to what? 24. 24. Yes. We will go into the next sum. Next sum, 99 minus 80. 99 minus 80. So first what we have to write? Hundreds, tens, ones. Hundreds, tens, ones. My God. Children, kindly mute yourself, my dears. By mistake, you might unmute. Mute. Yes. Okay. So 99 minus 80. Here, this is minuend. This is subtrahend. First, write the minuend. 99. 9 tens and 9 ones. Before that, you have to leave one line. Always. If it is the regrouping or not regrouping, you please leave the line. Okay. Then, what is the subtrahend? 80. 8 tens and 0 ones. So first write ones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 circles. Okay. Now we are going to, sorry, I forgot that sign of the sum. What is the sign of the sum? We are going to remove. So what is the sign? Minus sign. Subtraction means minus sign. So now we are going to remove. How many numbers we are going to remove? 0. 0 means no value. 0 means no value. So I am not going to subtract. Always remember, if minus or plus, minus or plus
Minus or
with 0, with 0, that will be the same number, will be the answer. Be the same number as a answer. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. Did you remember we have read in the properties of addition? 9 plus 0 is equal to 9. Likewise, here subtraction also. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. Any minuend will be minus with 0 will be the difference will be the same. Okay, minuend will be the difference. So 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. Okay, next, what is the next? Tens room. In tens room, how many numbers are there? 9 minus 8. So first you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens are there. You have to subtract 8 tens. 8 tens. So subtract along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many more tens are left? How many more? Only 1. So 1. So 1 10 and 9 ones. If you minus 99 minus 80, answer will be the 19. Difference is 19. So answer, the next line you have to write the special step is equal to, answer is equal to 19. So the answer is equal to to 19. The special step you have to write next. Okay, next. See sum. Again, leave one line like this. Write neatly. Okay. Then what we are going to subtract? 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers. First, 697 minus 456. First, we have to write the place values. Hundreds, tens, ones. Hundreds, tens, ones. And then leave one line. Leave one line for carry forward. Now, borrowing. Now, so for the subtraction, what you will do? Borrowing. For that, you have to leave one line. Okay, then you have to write the minuend first. What is the minuend? Bigger number. What is the bigger number here? 697. 697. 3 digits. So 697. 600, 9, 10, 7, 1. Write the numbers in the appropriate rooms. Next, subtrahend. What is the subtrahend? 456. 456. So 400, 5, 10, 1. 100.
மம்மி வந்து
Roshan and Bhavani, please mute. It got by mistake unmuted. Please mute, ma.
456. 400, 5, 10, 6 ones. You have to write the numbers in the appropriate rooms. Girija ma'am? Girija ma'am?
Yes, Robin ma'am.
Ma'am, you put one boy in the lobby, no?
Yes, ma'am. I can't able to mute for that boy, ma'am. So
You please get him to the class, ma'am.
Mm.
At least I think now he will be quiet.
I
No.
think
He will mute, I think so.
It's only 5 minutes left. 10 minutes left.
10 minutes. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So first you have to write the place values, leave one line, and then you have to write first minuend. What is minuend? Bigger number, 697. Next, you have to write the subtrahend. Subtrahend is the number which we are going to subtract from the minuend. That is smaller number, 456. Then you have to put the sign of the sum. What is the sign of the sum? We are going to do the subtraction. So sign is minus sign, minus sign, minus sign. Now the next step, we are going to do the subtraction. From which place value will you start? From ones and then tens and then hundreds. First you have to do the ones room. First you have to do the ones room. How many ones? What are the ones room numbers? 7 and 6. You have to subtract 6 from 7. So let me draw. Sorry. Well, getting hang. Yes. So we have to write the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ones. And what is the subtrahend? 6. So we are going to subtract, remove 6 numbers. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many ones are left? Only one. Only one. So you have to write 1. And then let me go to the tens room. Let me go to the tens room. How many tens? 9 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens are there. How many numbers we are going to remove? 5. 5 is the subtrahend. So 5 we are going to remove. Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens are left. 4 tens are left. Yes? Next, hundreds room. Next, we'll go to the hundreds room. How many hundreds? 600. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 600. So what number we are going to subtract? Subtrahend number is 4. 4 we are going to remove. So count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many left in hundreds room? 2. 2. So is equal to, they forgot to mention is equal to also. So you please mention all those things, children. 200, 410, 1 ones. 200, 410, 1 1 is 241. At last you have to write the special step. Answer is equal to 241. You have to write. Okay. Likewise, D sum. Next, D sum. What is the D sum number? 980 minus 730. Okay, 730. First you have to write the place values, hundreds, tens, and then ones. You have to leave one line. Then first you have to write the minuend number. Minuend is the greater number. What is the greater number in the question? 980. 908. 10, 0, 1. 980. You have to mention the numbers in the appropriate note. Then subtrahend. What is the subtrahend? 730. 730. 703. 10, 0, 1. 730. Next step, you have to put sign. What is the sign of the sum? Subtraction means minus sign. So minus sign. And then is equal to you have to put. Then from which place value will you start? From ones room. Here. See, look at here. 0 minus 0. 0 means no objects I am going to draw. Yes? Is there any value? No value. Again minus 0. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0 itself. Nothing is there. You are not going to remove nothing. So what else will be? Nothing. 0. So 0 minus 0 is equal to always 0 only. Okay, remember that. Then tens room. Let's go to the tens room. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. D sum 8 minus 3. So 8 minus 3 you have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 tens. Then 3 10 we are going to remove it. Wash it out. Yes? Count along with me. 1, 2, 3. Then how many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. So how many tens left? 5 tens. 5 tens. Yes? Then go to the hundreds room. How many hundreds? How many hundreds? 900. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 900s are there. 900s are there. So we are going to remove. How many hundreds we are going to remove? 700. Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 700s we removed. So how many hundreds are left? 200s. 200, 5, 10, 0, 1. 200, 5, 10, 0, 1 is 250. So the answer
Yes,
is equal to
ma'am.
what? 250.
Yes, ma'am. 2 minutes left.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So this I will send to you. You have to follow the step what I mentioned, because here they forgot to mention is equal to. Here they mention
One
forgot to
second.
mention leave one
Yes.
line. So you,
1 second,
yes,
Romina.
ma'am.
Yeah, sorry for disturbing. Yes, parents, this notes will be given to you by the weekend as the assessment is going on. So this will be given to you by the end of the week. Okay.
Yes.
Workbook and class works. Yeah. Okay.
This workbook exercise you will receive. Okay. This workbook exercise you will receive. Before that you try to do yourself. Then check the answers. Okay. Then check the answers whether it is correct. Then only you will practice. Okay. Then only you will learn more. Any questions? And kind reminder about the Fortune Cup activity. Post your photos in your groups. Only the photos. Okay? Yes. Any questions? Any questions, children? Any doubts?
1 second. 1 second, ma'am. Yes, today also please try to log in for assessment in time, and if it is delay or network issue, we will intimate you. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, class
All
teachers
ready
will give
for your
information.
assessment. Do your best. Do by yourself. Okay? Don't ask your parents help. Don't ask your parents doubt. Don't ask any doubt. Okay? Because let them do read the questions and let them do the answers. Yes. Thank you.